Welcome to Bon Appetit. It's time to awaken your taste buds and get into the festive spirit. Today we are making a refreshing and vibrant fruity punch drink, perfect for sharing with friends and family this holiday season. So grab your notepad and let's dive into this delicious recipe. Here are the ingredients you will need: fresh strawberries, oranges, tangerine, cranberry juice, freshly squeezed pineapple juice, freshly squeezed orange juice, fresh lemon juice. Feel free to tweak this recipe based on the fruits you have available. Let's get started. The first step is to prep for our fruits. We will start by slicing the oranges into tiny, beautiful rounds. Next, half the strawberries. Finally, slice the tangerine. Set these aside for now. Now grab a glass jar or punch bowl and add some ice cubes to keep it chill and refreshing. Once the ice is in, layer in the sliced fruits, your oranges, strawberries, and tangerine. This adds a burst of flavor and make your punch look gorgeous. Next, it's time to add our freshly squeezed juice. Pour in the cranberry juice, pineapple, oranges, and a dash of lemon to give it that zesty, refreshing kick. Adding a dash of lemon juice just to give it that tangy taste. Mix everything up together well in order to ensure the flavor combines beautifully. There you have it, your delicious, refreshing, fruity punch drink. This drink is bursting with flavor and screams festivity. Serve it up and watch your guests light up with joy. So this is how you should dress up your punch drink for your guests this Christmas season. So let's have a taste of this deliciousness. Oh my goodness, this is refreshing. This tastes so delicious. Bon appetit!